Good morning. We'll start feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So just overlooking PUHOI village, you might see the church over to the left and the PUHOI pub down in the right. So just a little walk up the hill to get this amazing view. So bring both arms up, inhale, lengthen with the left, exhale, lengthen with the right. Inhale left, exhale right, and inhale, and exhale, inhale, and exhale. And we'll take hold of the left wrist, inhale up, exhale to the side. Come back to center, swap the hands over, inhale, lengthen, exhale to the other side. And we'll come back to the middle. So swapping the hands, inhale, exhale over, coming back to center, swap, then inhale and exhale. Come in center, so one more each side. Inhale up, exhale to the right, come in center, inhale, exhale to the left. So keep breathing as you need to. Come back to center and we'll gently roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. And hands on the shoulders, circle with the elbows. And the other way. Now full arm circles, inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhale up, exhale down. Or just breathe whenever feels best for you. So the other way, inhaling up, exhale down. And then we'll keep both arms up, go left forward, right back. Left one forward, right back. So don't worry if you don't get this the first time. So left forward, right back to the top, and then right forward, left back. Right forward, left back. So just notice that little twist at the hips as well. So we're not trying to keep the body rigidly still. So bend the left elbow, take the right hand to the elbow. Try and keep upright through the spine. Swap to the other side. So bending that right elbow, taking the left hand to that elbow. Then we'll hang forwards and swing the arms. Then roll on up through the spine. So we can either do that again, or we're going to take the right arm behind and try and bring the hands together, or wherever you get to. Again, hanging forward, swinging the arms. Coming back up, bring that right arm up and left one behind if you can, or just hold on to the elbow like before. Remember, nothing should hurt. So do not strain. Just listen to your body and do what you can. Now bring the arms in front, make a big circle, drop the head, feel the stretch across the top of the back. Then take the arms behind, interlace the fingers, either with the elbows bent or maybe straightening the arms and just lifting the arms. Then we're going to forward bend. So either keeping the arms behind or holding onto the elbows. We're going to deep bend in the knees, rest the body on the thighs, drop the head down, inhale. Exhale, try and straighten the legs. Again, I'm just going to hold and then body onto the thighs, inhale, exhale, straighten the legs. Keep breathing. One more deep bend in the knees, inhale, exhale, straighten, and bend the knees and we'll roll on up through the spine. And we will come into a little leg swing. So standing on your right leg, swing the left one forwards and back. So it can be a small movement. We can really build it up. And we'll go to the other side, standing on the left and swinging that right leg forwards and back. And bring that leg down. And we're going to go from side to side, obviously being very careful of any objects in the way. And the other side. And just warming up the legs. Also incorporating a bit of balance. And bring that leg down. Okay, so more balance. Star pose, standing on the left, bring the right leg out and lift. So you've got the arms lengthened, the body facing forwards, squeezing the belly button in. And breathe. So we'll come down to the other side, standing on the right, bring the arms up, and we'll lift that left leg. Then keep bringing the foot down if you need to for the balance, or hold and lengthen the leg. And coming down. So I think we'll do one more each side. We'll inhale, exhale, lift the leg. Keep breathing. And then maybe lift a little higher. Maybe a little bit more. And any more if you've got it. And coming down. So inhale, exhale, lifting that left leg. Keep breathing and then lift a little higher and tiny bit higher and coming down. And that's all we're going to do because it's a long walk up the hill. So we're working on the wrists. Bring that left arm forward, fingertips up towards the sky, pull the fingers back. And then point the fingers down, pull them towards you. So we'll do that again each way. So fingertips up towards the sky, pulling the fingers towards the body. So feeling that stretch underneath the wrist. Then point them down and you'll feel the stretch across the top of the wrist and maybe the back of the hand. So onto the other side, bring the right arm shoulder level. Fingertips pointing up and then fingertips pointing down. And then pointing up and pointing down. And interlace the fingers and imagine drawing that figure of 8 with the hands. So just moving through the wrists in one direction. And then go in the other direction. So it might take some thinking about. Now we're going to bring the left arm up with the palm facing away and the right hand comes across, palms together, interlace the fingers, bring the hands down, up and through. So you might not get very far, or you might be able to bring them all the way through. So we bend the elbows, point the hands down to the body, then up and through, and then coming back. So just to wherever you get to, without straining anything, and then coming back. And swap the arms over. Okay, bend the elbows, point the hands down towards the body, and up and through. So you might be able to do it one side and not the other. So do not force this at all. And just coming up and through. And we'll do one more. And back through. And we will shake the hands out. So we're going to standing pose, extended side angle. So legs nice and wide, we'll turn the left one 90 degrees, back foot angled. Got the front knee bent with the knee above the ankle, shoulders above the hips, and just leaning to the side, either keeping the hand on the thigh or bringing the forearm down. And if that feels okay, we're going to bring the other arm up and across. We try and straighten the arm and lengthen to the fingertips. And maybe even look up to the sky. And come on up and swap the feet around. You've got the right foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled. Good bend in that right knee. And then we lean to the side. Maybe placing that forearm down, maybe bringing the arm up and across, and even looking up to the sky. Remember to keep breathing. If you are holding on to the breath, you are trying too hard. And we'll come on up and we'll do one more each side. And turning that left foot, bending the knee, sinking down as much as you can through the middle. I can't go too far with these flip-flops on. So I'm going to lean over, bring the arm up and across, looking up to the sky. So lengthening all the way down the right side of the body. And breathe. Coming on up, turning the feet around. And make sure you've got that good base to start with. Make sure the knee is in line with the toes, not falling inwards. And we're leaning to the side and bringing the left arm up and across, lengthening from the heel to the fingertips. And coming on up. So we're going to get into the good posture. And we're going to bring the feet hip width apart. Just relaxing the shoulders. And crown up towards the sky. We're going to work on the neck. So we're going to inhale first. And exhale, slowly turn the head to the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale slowly to the right. Inhale. Exhale left. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale back to center. Now tilt the head towards the left shoulder without lifting the shoulders or dropping the shoulders. Just hold and breathe. And bring the head back to center and then tilt to the other side. Again, hold and breathe. Come in center. So we'll do that each side. Again. So over to the left. And if you want to deepen the stretch, reach the right arm away. So lengthen all the way down the arm. Come back to center. Tilt to the right. See how that feels. And then maybe reach the left arm out to the side. And coming back. Now inhale, exhale, drop the head towards the chest, inhale up, exhale, drop the head back, inhale center, exhale, drop the head forward, inhale up, exhale, drop the head back, inhale to center. Squeeze the shoulders up towards the ears and then reach the fingertips down to the ground. Again, squeeze in, shorten the neck, and lengthen the arms, lengthen the neck. And one more, we're going to squeeze, inhale, and then exhale, lengthen the arms down towards the ground and relax. So we'll go through the movements again. We'll inhale, exhale, turn to the left, inhale, center, exhale, turn to the right, inhale, center, now exhale, tilt the head to the left, inhale up, exhale, tilt to the other side, inhale, center, exhale, chin to chest, inhale up, exhale, drop the head back, inhale, center, and just shake the arms out, and hopefully the shoulders feel a little bit more relaxed. And we're ready for the breathing and the relaxation. So one hand on the chest, one hand just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Taking the in-breath through the lower hand. Maybe feeling the heartbeat with the upper hand. Maybe feeling the belly expand with the lower hand. And we'll just slow the breathing down. And we'll bring the arms down, and we are